Today we are going to discuss about the SQL syntax. A database most often contain one or more tables. Of course, as you know, this is a table name and these are the columns and these are the entries. For suppose if you have second entry name John and city is for suppose London and United Kingdom, UK, country is United Kingdom. So you have two tuples or two rows in the database. Which table? Users table or users table. Okay. So now, if you want to retrieve all the data, how can you retrieve all the data? I'm saying select static from users. So use the semicolon. Why you use the semicolon? Because most of the databases use the semicolon after the statement. This is the one statement, or when you complete the statement you have to use the semicolon because this is the standard. MySQL, if you are not using the semicolon in the MySQL, it's fine, but some databases requires the semicolon after whenever you complete the statement. So this is the basic syntax. Static means you are saying, oh, please give me all the columns. That means this. If you need only the country from users table, what you need, you just need to specify the country. That means you are saying, oh, please give me the country column from this users. It's like English. Okay. So in this way, your query works. You can perform some you have some other statement like select, as you know, I have already mentioned, update, delete, insert into, create database or create table, drop table, and a lot of statements available in the SQL. Sorry, not a statement, a lot of commands available in the SQL. So I think this is enough for today. In the next section we are going to cover some other topics. So thank you for watching.